everyone, welcome back to again my YouTube channels. Today the front of you again I have come to taking on new topics from the book of 10th class. That book name is here 42 without weight. Which topics today I am going to propounding that topic is here the thief story, and this is very hilarious and interesting story. The people and the students who will watch this video, I think they all students will understand very nice of this thief story related, and as many sentences I shall explain about of this story. I want to suggest all of you try to share of this all story sentences part with our friends. When you are in class, also at that times you try to tell of that story with friend, with teachers. If a teacher is teaching of you any types of the story, after listening of that story also you try to define in English to English. As much you will broach about of any story, I say you all, or speaking skills will be improved so. And if you not try to speak of any sentences, whether if you not try to speak of any stories, then really if you are wanting to speak, even if you will not be able to speak, because wanting other points and speaking is other points. For the speaking first, we should be cook. If you will be cook, I say sure to everyone, you will define of every types of the things which you have curiosity for discussing, for defining, that all those things you can define to very easily way. Then okay, let you come on the points, and please you watch this video till end. As far as I shall explain of this story sentences, you must watch and you feel too easy. I shall strive to tell to each sentences from that story to making to very easiest manner, and if you listen of that all sentences from that story, I think you all will be understood to very nice, and all those sentences will be entered in your mind while listening. Okay, let me come on the points. Today the topic here, the thief story. Thief story means everybody, I think you may have understood. Means there is one story about of thief. That story we have need to read in 10th class. If you read too very carefully of that, you will feel so nice. And actually in this story has given to all of us to very right education, right cognitions. And what has right cognitions indicated by these story writers, that thing we have to follow. Means how one thief can be honest. About of that point we have need to read. Then be careful, listen. In this story there are coming two persons. One name is here Anil and other is coming Hari Singh. Who is coming Anil in this story? He is making the role of owner, and who is coming here thief, that person name is here Hari Singh. And this story is defined by Hari Singh. This story is not being told by Anil. So this point you will have to hit. Here is telling, when I was met with Anil, I was about 15 years old only. Now here is telling, who is coming? I is coming here Hari Singh, because this story is being explained by Hari Singh. Now Hari Singh is telling, when I met with Anil, at that time I was only 15 years old and he was 25 years old. When I saw the body of Anil, just looking of Anil body, I experienced actually this person is looking like a very easygoing. If I shall make friend with that person, I can steal his all property, because I was a steal thief. He is telling of you, when I met with Anil, at that moment I was a steal thief. Which person about I made the target, I made the plan for robbing, for plundering. Those person I plundered in my life. As much as he was experienced in stealing, in thieving. So when Hari Singh saw the body of Anil, just looking the body of Anil, he is making experience. This person is looking like to very easygoing. If I shall make friend with that person, then really I can rob off his all property. And when Harishi met with Anil, at that moment Anil was watching one wrestler match in the wrestler field. Then just Harishi started to guess about of him, how to make interact. After that, he is going the near of Anil. He is thinking, I shall have to speak something the front of that person, then he will talk with me. So how to talk? Then just one idea is coming in the mind of Harishi. For making interaction with anybody, there is a need of a little flatter of anybody. Little flatter means what you understand? There is need to little admire about of that person. If I shall admire about of that person, sure he will chat with me. And he is going near and he is telling, hello sir, you are looking a bit of wrestler. You are looking a bit of wrestler. Like this matter, Harishi is telling to Anil. Anil just turned off his head the way of Harishi, because he heard very strange voice by someone. As a stage, he turned off his head the way of Harishi. Harishi smiled, looking at Anil, and Anil asked him, "What's your name?" Just Harishi told, "My name is Harishi," but he is telling of you. I told him, "My name is Harishi," but I told a lie. Because my genuine name was not Harishi. In every month, I took a new name on account of administrations. Because I was a thief, so I had many cases in the police station, in the courts. If I was keeping to single name, then I was arrested by the police. So I was keeping each month different name. So now this time Harishi is telling to everyone, I told to Anil my false name. After asking of my introductions, again he watched some time of that wrestling match, and after some times watching of that wrestling match, again he started to go the way of his home. When he started to go the way of his home, just I thought, my God, this person is not chatting with me much. He has not gossiped me much. I think I have chosen of any misjudged person. Misjudged person means what do you understand? I have chosen of any wrong types of the person. He is thinking this time. When he did not make interact with Harishi much and much, then Harishi is realizing like this matter, I have chosen of any bad types of the person. As I was thinking about of him, he is looking like a simple and he is looking like a honest type of the person. Actually, that person is not like of honest. Sometime like this meter is moving in the mind of Harishi, and Harishi is thinking, actually I should not defeat from my ambition. I have to make friend with him. And how to make friend? After that, when Anil started to go in the road, just he followed him. And he followed. After that, when he went to some distance, just again, Harishi is giving the voice of Anil. Hello sir, I want to work for you. Please stop. Anil again stopped and again stared at Harishi. And as a stage, Harishi told, I am wanting to work for you, but you are not looking at me. Then just Anil is asking, you are wanting to work for me, then I shall not give you any salary on my work. If you are wanting to work to negate to coming in my home, let come and you keep on working in my home. I shall not say you don't work. When Harishi heard of this matter, he is not wanting to give me salary, then again in the mind of Harishi just a stroke. My God, really I have chosen of any bad person. In the first time looking of his body language and his character and his Body expression, I was thinking about of him. He is looking like a very simple, but he is not simple person. Sometime like this, he is realizing about of Anil. After that, again in the mind of Hari Singh, 1 meter more is running. No, actually we should not defeat again. We should not become courageous. And just Hari Singh told to Anil, okay, if you will not give me salary, can you feed me? Just listening of this meter, Anil again is asking to Hari Singh, do you know cook? Do you know cook? Just Hari Singh is telling, I know cooking. But telling of this answer, Hari Singh telling of this answer, I know cook. He is telling again I lied. Again I lied. Means again I told a lie. Means he was not cooking, and when Anil asked to Hari Singh, do you know cook? Then he told, yeah, I know cooking. Just listening of this answer through the mouth of Hari Singh, Anil is telling, if you are knowing to cooking, then I can feed you. Let's come my home. After that, he followed of Anil, and he reached in the home of Anil at evening time. And as the stage he reached in the home of Anil, Anil is showing to Hari Singh of each rooms of his house. As now Anil is indicating, this is kitchen, this is dining room, this is different type of the room. As many rooms there were, that all room Anil indicated of Hari Singh, and Hari Singh also looked to all room of Anil. After that, Anil is telling to Hari Singh, you told me I am knowing to cooking. Let's go in kitchen and cook quick. After that, just Hari Singh went in the kitchen and started to cook, but he was not knowing to cooking. Somehow he cooked. Means that night he cooked very worst food. He was fearing to insidely, my God, I have not cooked well, and I am not knowing to cooking too well, and I have told him I am knowing to cooking, and I cooked too very badly way. If Anil will eat of that, then actually after eating of that, what will he think about of me? My God, how much is he knowing to poor cooking? Like this meter he will realize about of me. He was fearing after cooking of that. Just Hari Singh is inviting of Anil. Hello sir, cooking has finished, let you go and eat. After that, just Anil is coming in the kitchen and he is serving of the food in a plate. Serving just of that food, he sat for eating, and at the stage he took one morsel of food inside of the mouth. Just he spitted down. When he spitted down of that food, then Hari Singh is looking at these all things happening from the balcony, and just Anil stood up from his place to taking of that food of this, and came out from the kitchen and went away in the courtyard corner way, and he poured down that whole food, as much food he was taken in his dish, that all food he poured down in a corner of that courtyard. The back of Anil, just one dog was going, and also the dog smelled of that poured food, and also he denied to eating. Means also the dog refused to eating, means he was not liking to eat of that. Actually that food was cooked very worst. It was not like to eat, like that bad food was cooked by Hari Singh. And Anil, after washing of hand, just he is going to Hari's rooms, where Hari Singh was just standing in that rooms, going. Just Anil is telling to Hari Singh, I know well about of you, I think you are not cooking, but you have not need to take worry about that. Live carefree. From tomorrow I shall teach you for cooking, I shall teach of you also for reading or writing. I think you are not knowing to reading or writing also that. Means Anil is telling to Hari Singh, I think also you are uneducated persons and you don't know to reading, writing of anything and not knowing to cooking. This thing was explained by Anil about of Hari Singh, and Hari Singh is assuring of Anil is assuring of Hari Singh to telling of this, from tomorrow I shall learn you everything for doing. And from the next day, just Anil started to teach him for reading, writings, for cooking, and Anil was a magaziner. He was making two magazines and he was selling of that magazines to taking away in any publications. But he had not of limited income. He had outfit income. Someday, which day he earned, that day he earned sufficient money, and which day he did not earn, that day did not come any pennies in the packet of Anil. Like this, it had the income of Anil. And every day in the morning time, Anil was giving some rupees of Hari Singh for buying of daily Uje's supply things, and Hari Singh went in the market for buying of daily Uje's supply things, and in that buying every day Hari Singh was saving 1 rupees. And Hari Singh was realizing like this matter, if I am saving 1 rupees to every day, within few days I shall have lots of the money and I shall be very great person one day. Like this matter was realized by Hari Singh, because every day in his life, in buying of daily Uje's supply things, he was saving 1 rupees. Who was saving 1 rupees? Hari Singh was saving 1 rupees in daily Uje's supply things, in buying of that daily Uje's supply things. Now the next point is coming here. Like this, day to day, it was passing, and Hari Singh is working in the home of Anil, and Hari Singh also is working to very attentively in the home of Anil, and Anil is trusting to very much on Hari Singh. Anil is trusting to very much on Hari Singh. He gave all keys of each rooms of his homes, and as Anil started to feel about of Hari Singh, now the point is coming here for understanding to all of us, means Anil was feeling like of any family members. Anil was thinking about of Hari Singh, he is the one of my family members. Like that points Anil was realizing about of Hari Singh. Means he was trusting too. Now the point is coming here. Hari Singh is telling to all of us, Anil was earning money, he had outfit income, and which money he earned, that money he was not keeping to save in his bank account. If today he has earned some money, then still tomorrow that all money was invested, through of Anil with some on loafer friends, with some on rascal friends. So one day Anil came in his home at evening time to taking one bundle of notes, and as he entered in his rooms to taking a bundle of notes, just Hari Singh noticed of that bundle of note, and he thought actually today he is bringing lots of the money, he is bringing a bundle of note, till tomorrow I think this money will not be lingered with Anil, this money will be invested till tomorrow with any loafer friends by Anil. So now this time just Hari Singh is making to plan to plunder of that money, just he is making to plan to robbing of that money, and just he made the plans, today this money I shall have to steal, and the stealing of that money I shall be fled away from his home, because that night the near of Anil home there was coming Lucknow Express in a railway station. Just stealing of that money, I shall be reached in that railway station, and catching of that Lucknow Express, I shall be fade away from yours. Like this, he had made to plans to rob off Anil money, and after having supper, Anil again is gone to sleep in his balcony, and when he is gone to sleep in his balcony, and when he slept, just Harish is living in lurking for stealing of that money, and when Anil is slept, just Harish is going slowly in the room of Anil, where Anil is sleeping in that room, going at the stage he entered in that place. Just he looking through that balcony, there was coming the ray of moon, because that night it was full fledged, and there was coming the light of moons, and it was falling directly on the face of Anil. When Harish entered, just he is making to plan to take out of that money from under of that mattress, because Anil kept up that money under of the mattress. From there he is taking out, and he is going to slowly, and he sat. After sitting of that, just he laid off his body, and crawling he started to go the way of Anil, where Anil was kept of that money. When Harish is going the near of that, and when he is taking out that, when he is entering of his hand inside of that mattress where Anil was sleeping, from the same mattress he is wanting to take out of that money, and slowly he is entering under of that mattress. Till then Anil was turned, and when he shook up his body, then just Harish is choked to thinking of that, my God, I think if Anil may be looking to me, then just I shall be caught by him, and I shall be arrested by the police through of Anil. So for some time, also Harish was scared when Anil turned. Just after some time, again Anil is turned in the other direction, because in the first time he was slept a straight position, and when again Anil is turned in the other direction, just he is getting to spare times to taking out of that money from the under of that mattress, and he's entering of his hand to very slowly inside of that mattress, and he's catching up that bundle of note, and slowly he is taking out of his hands from the mattress, and taking out that bundle of note in his fist, slowly came out from that room, and started to run from Anil home, and he is going the way of railway stations for getting in Lucknow Express. Now when he started to go, then now he is going to counting of that money, how many rupees is it, that all money he is going to count. Now Harish is telling here that note was about 50 pieces, each note was 50 rupees piece, and total money it was 600. So for some time he was feeling, I have been million or billion, I have not of problems for few days. Like this matter, Harish was realizing after stealing of that money, and after counting of that money, again he is binding of that money in his pajama strings, and after binding of that bundle of note in his pajama strings, he reached on the railway platform, and when he is reached on the railway platform, till then he is looking there, the Lucknow Express is waiting the passenger for getting on, and all of the passengers were riding to very hurriedly in different bogies, but now Harish has not taken off any tickets at all for getting in that Lucknow Express. Now he is telling, I have never taken of any tickets for traveling of anywhere. Means this thief is telling, means this Harish is telling, I have never taken of any tickets for journey in any place in my life. Means Harish has never taken of any tickets for journey of any place by of any bus, by of any train. Just like this, today he is wanting to ride in any train's bogie to without taking of any tickets. Now he is on the platform and now he is making to plan to jump in any petty bogie while running of that to Lucknow space. And also the Lucknow space is just started to go and he started to move ahead. When the train started to go, just he making to plan, I shall have to jump in any petty bogie. Till then here is telling the train is gone away and he is left alone in that deserted platform. That was the time about of 11 or 12 o'clock night. When the time became 11 o'clock and when he was left in that deserted platform, just now he is thinking, my God, I have left alone in this place and train has gone. Then what shall I do? Actually, if I shall stay in this railway platform, then anybody can rob of that all money as much money I have stolen in the home of the Anil. Also that money all will be snatched by some of loafers in this railway station. So just this time he is thinking, if I shall stay here, then also that money will not be lingered in my packet. So this time he is thinking where to stay. Actually also all of the restaurant and hotel which was the near of that railway station, that all was closed because it was the time of 11 or 12 o'clock. Then now he is thinking, actually I should not stand in this railway platform, I should go in the other sides. Just beside of that railway station there was one Maidan and he went in that Maidan and he sat some time and he started to think about of the Anil. My God, I have stolen of his all money. Tomorrow when he will get up and he will not find of that money under of that mattress, then what will he think about of me? He will think about of me means which person was living in my home. Actually that person was a still thief, means I was keeping one thief in my home. Like this matter Anil will realize on me and also he will realize about of me. I was believing on him very much, but he has taken out one treasure person. Actually I should not do like this. Like this some honesty point is moving in the mind of Harish, and this time he is thinking two different type of the reaction about of different people. Now also he is thinking in that beside of that railway station in which Maidan he has seated, in that Maidan he is thinking to sitting in any public sitting bench. Actually it is easy to rob any other person, but it is not easy to rob of any careless person. Means now Harish is thinking about of Anil, he is very careless because he was fully believing on a thief. So he is telling about of that Anil, he is careless person, and he is telling of that if any person who is greedy and if any greedy person is robbed, then on the face of that greedy means just shows fear, and if any angry person, if any if any rich person is robbed, then on the face of that rich person shows angry, and if any poor person is robbed, then on the face of that poor person only shows acceptance. Like this differences type of the motion is running in the mind of Harish, and he is thinking actually next day when Anil will get up and when he will not find out that money, then he will feel to very bad to thinking about of me. Actually in my home there was living one thief, and he will understand about of me very bad. Till then here is telling like this meter. Till when he was thinking to sitting in that Maidan. Also, it started to rain. It started to drizzle. Now he is thinking, if I shall stay in this Maidan, then I shall be wetted. And he started to wet in that drizzle. He thought, actually I should not stay in this open Maidan. And I should go in the main market way. And when he reached in the main market way, there was one clock tower, and inside of that clock tower said just he waited some time and he saved up, and he thought actually where to stay of this night. There is no any persons in this city who is recognizing to me except of Anil. So I should not delay to staying in this place. I should go to very hurry in the home of Anil, and from where I have taken out of that money, again in the same place I should keep up that money. And he is going very soon in the home of Anil, and from where he was taken out of that money, against under of that mattress he is keeping. Till then he is looking, Anil is sleeping very in very fast sleeping mode, and he kept up that money under of the same mattress, and again he is going in his bedroom. Where his bedroom was, in that place he went, and again he is slept. The next day what happens? Now the thief is telling, before getting me, Anil is awakened, and Anil awaking, just he is preparing of tea and all, and after preparing, just he takes tea to himself and taking one cup of tea and taking one 50 rupees weighted note, he comes in my rooms, and he is awaking to me to telling, hello dear boss, let you stand up and you take tea. After that, at the stage I heard the voice, means the thief is telling, means Harish is telling here, at the stage I heard the voice of Anil. Just I was shocked and I woke up. After waking up, just I saw the front of me, Anil was standing, and he was smiling, looking at me, and he was telling, take tea. And when I looked at that weighted note, just the thief is telling, my heart started to sink. Means just he is telling, I felt very curious to thinking of that, my God, today I have been caught by Anil, because this note was the same note which note was stolen by me in the same night, and this note was weighted absolutely till now. So looking of that weighted note, this time just he is feared to thinking of that, my God, this thieving about Anil may have known. And when Anil told to Harish, okay, you have not to worry about of anything. From this month, I shall pay off for salary, and continually you work in my home to very attentively. You have not need to take off any worry. Live carefully, and you get every month of your salary on my work. When I heard, Anil told to me, I shall give of you salary when Anil works. Then I became to very happy, and I thought actually today I saved. And also he smiled at me, and also I smiled looking at Anil. Now this chapter has completed here, and the question answer which is coming in this story, I shall share that story question answer in another video. Till then I am telling of you, if any students who may have understood to exactly of that all story defined by me, and you try to understand of all those question answer from that chapter, and you try to also share of that story with your friend. And if you have liked of these explanations, please like, subscribe and share. again I shall visit in the next